So now, which one do you prefer? I'm curious to see which.
Okay, so we'll rate together.
Okay.
How's that? We'll do that. So this is this one. This is the one you tried first.
It's good.
That's good. Yeah.
Yeah.
You know, I've never made a carrot cake in my life. And I've made 3.
Well, you did good.
I've made 3.
You're very good.
And as Monique knows, the kitchen and I didn't agree. So if I can uncook raw food, anybody can. Okay, then the next one that you tried was Mimi Kirk.
Now, and that's the one, okay, now that I know it has maple syrup in it.
This one has maple syrup in it.
Let's see if I taste it, because like I said, I did not taste it first time around.
And she didn't call for the little carrots on the top. She didn't call for that. She just had the cinnamon on the top.
See, I still taste lemon. Right. No, I don't find it strong on the lemon, but
Okay.
I'm tasting lemon, and I'm even knowing that there's maple syrup. I don't taste. Do you taste the maple syrup?
Oh, it's not. No.
Yeah.
You don't.
It's not.
I mean, you can tell there's a little bit of a sweetness there.
Yeah, but not.
But definitely not to say that that's maple syrup.
Yeah.
No.
After this one.
And that's right. So the third one. So yes, I think I'd have to agree that would, after tasting those 2 and just having a mouthful,
Right.
I'm still on page with you.
That the first
one would have been
your favorite.
the favorite.
Yeah.
So now, number 3.
And this one was my second favorite one, I think.
This is your second favorite. Yeah. This is good. Yeah. Yeah.
Do you
I
prefer
definitely
the
have to
second
agree with you.
Okay.
I'm on page with the with your first choice. And I'm torn now between these 2.
Yeah. Like the 3
Definitely
of them are all good.
They're all good.
Yeah.
But this was definitely interesting.
Yeah.
That was
Like I said,
definitely
for
my first
me,
one.
it was. There's something about the texture in the first one. The taste was very good, but I really liked the texture of the first one.
Yeah, and that was really hard because there is icing in between, and maybe that kind of changes.
Maybe that can make a difference.
It could.
Right? It could.
Right?
Yeah. That's true. Yeah, because it's the only one that has icing in between, right?
Yes,
Yeah.
and it's our first pick.
Right.
So yeah, it could change it.
It
so,
could.
and of course I didn't follow 100%.
Yeah.
I need more of those little mini.
Yes.
Spring
Yeah,
forms?
they're not easy to find.
Oh, trust me, I've been all over the city looking for those things.
So now, which one?
This
You're
taste testing has been a bit of a
between
challenge between this one and this one, so I have to.
Or which is your
I'm-
second favorite?
This is the Mimi Kirk.
Yeah.
See, I like lemon,
Yeah.
and you're right. It's not overpowering.
No, it's not.
It's not overpowering. I do like the citrus. I think. I'm
You're going with.
I think I'm going with that one
That's the second.
as my second choice, but you know, they're all pretty close.
They're all good. Like honestly, like I can't say, like I would eat any of them.
Yeah. Yep. There's still more to come now.
Okay.
Okay. So what we do is we rate them similar as your, hotels.
Okay.
1 to 5 stars.
Right.
So be sure to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our continuation of our taste testing of raw vegan carrot cakes. And please give us the thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. And remember, sharing is caring. And one last thing, why don't you leave us a comment below? Let us know, which one would you have picked? See you soon.